the reason why we're saying Paap and Paapi is because, it's like saying that somebody is, Australia, Australian, Fiji, Fijian. You belong to Paap, you're a Paapi. That's what it is. It's a play of words, of course. Let's not get offended by that. And, if they're becoming so insecure about that, they should not be becoming insecure about things like that. Again, he's very childish, very imbecilic, actually. He should be focusing on policies. What is the policy? What is the policy on nationhood? What is the policy on education, tourism, industry, economy, commerce, trade, agriculture, forestry, young people? What is their policy? None of them have announced any policies. You have people in the party going around condemning staff of EFL. Linda Tambuya condemned staff of EFL, saying they're not performing, they should not get bonuses. You have somebody in Parliament, Honorable Tanya Wanganika, saying people should be stopped from going overseas. You have people in Honorable Tuisawao making comments in Parliament, people should be appointed on ethnicity, who we know is on all likelihood going to join Rambuka's party. See, none of these people are addressing the fundamental issues. Biman Prasad said, I'm not talking about cost of living. The day that we gave the press conference, we talked about inflation mitigation. We talked about how we're going to help people meet their costs of, the increase. Things like wheat and various other products that are imported items, where price of things have gone up which is outside our control. The entire budget was about that. And he's saying that we're not addressing that. Again, you see this kind of obfuscation, obscurantism is what they're very good at doing so. But unfortunately, it is pointing out to the general population the lack of capacity within these political parties. That is a strong endorsement of what I've just said. Right? The lack of capacity in these political parties to address everyday issues. The lack of strong, decisive leadership. How they are pandering to individuals within their own party because they think they might bring them votes. So, let's forego principles, values, all of that. That's what they're doing.